And in speed maths, we are going to take a new chapter, capacity, chapter 17. So last time we saw measurement of length, right? Yes. No, before just before this we saw measurement of weight, and before that we saw measurement of length. And now we are going to learn measurement of capacity, right? So comparison, because in all chapters also we started with comparison, so here comparison first, and we will know what capacity means. Capacity of an object or a thing tells us the amount of something it can hold. A water bottle holds more water than a glass. Simple. So, whatever amount uh, anything can hold, can keep inside, is called its capacity. Okay. So, a bucket is there, a tumbler is there. So, tumbler is full of water and bucket is also full of water, but which pot has more water? So, it is bucket. So, we can say the capacity of bucket is more than the capacity of tumbler or this glass, right? Here the bucket has the greater capacity than the glass. Simple. Chapter over, exercise starts, right? 17a. Write the names in the space of the object which has greater capacity. So a cup and bucket. So which has greater capacity? In which pot you can take more amount of water? That is bucket. So write bucket. Spoon or glass? You can easily tell. Water tank or bottle? Again you can easily tell. Next, glass or saucepan, swimming pool or a barrel, barrel is a container, jam jar or an ice cream cup. All are very easy, isn't it? Next is measuring the capacity. Capacity can be measured in liters. So as we were measuring weight in grams or kilograms, we and length we were measuring in meters or centimeters. So now this time capacity would be measured in liters, right? So a mug is there, a bottle is there, and a bucket is there. Here mug holds water less than 1 liter. Bottle holds water about 1 liter, and bucket holds water more than 1 liter. So how much a liter is? The exact measurement you can say, like suppose we have that Bisleri bottle that is around 20 rupees, है ना? So that bottle is of 1 liter, or in general we have mustard oil sachets or bottles, anything that is written 1 liter on that, you can have an idea of that 1 liter capacity. Okay, so that Bisleri bottle is the best one for you. So if something can have or contain more than that water, that much of water, जो Bisleri 20 वाला है, so that means its capacity is more than 1 liter. If something can some pot cannot contain that much of water, then less than 1 liter. So circle the object that can hold more water. Glass or bottle, cup and a jug, bucket and a mug. Now number B. In each group given below, the capacity of the large vessel is equal to some smaller vessels. Take the correct option. So let me read it again. In each group below, the capacity of the large vessel, it means large pot, is equal to some smaller vessels. Okay, take the correct option. Okay, let us see. This bottle can hold as much water as 4 cups or 18 cups. This you have to tell by your idea. Getting? What? This is very clear from the pictures only that bottle has more capacity and cup has less, right? But what do you think? How many cups can fill one bottle? 4 cups or 18 cups? So this is just to check your estimation skills, right? So in my view, only 4 cups can fill the 1 liter bottle, okay, or this much of big bottle. This tank can hold as much water as 50 buckets or 10 buckets. So the comparison of picture shows in 10 buckets only, I think this water tank can be filled. This bucket can hold as much as water as 9 mugs or 25 mugs. Now this time you will have an estimate and take. The earthen pot can hold as much water as 10 tumblers or 41 tumblers. Again, you should decide, you should estimate. A tub can hold as much water as 49 bowls or 19 bowls. In my view, 49 bowls. What do you think? You can take. A glass can hold as much water as 34 spoons or 54 spoons. So again you should estimate, or even you can do a practical, an experiment can be done with this glass and spoon. Anyway, formative exercise. Let us see what is there. Students can also perform the given following activity at home as a fun. लो मैं तो बोल ही रहा था एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के लिए, इन्होंने भी बोल दिया. हाँ, to compare the capacities of two containers, what do you need? A bucket full of water, cup, jug and tumbler. तो cup, jug और tumbler ले लिए and one bucket that is full of water. What to do? क्या करना है हमको? Number 1, place the bucket full of water on floor near a table and put cup, jug and tumbler on the table. Teacher will call any two students from the class. Ask one of them to fill the jug by using tumbler and also count how many tumblers are needed to fill that jug completely. Tumbler means glass. So, how many glasses can fill the jug? You have to check this first. Then now ask another student to fill the jug using the cup and also count how many cups are needed to fill that jug completely. और इस बार जग को खाली कर लीजिए पहले, फिर कप से चेक करना है. How many cups can fill the jug? Let the student compare these two numbers of tumblers and of cups, and then find out whose capacity is more, the cup or the tumbler. तो करके देख लीजिएगा, कोई बात नहीं, वैसे भी बता सकते हो आप, मुझे पता है. ऐसे भी बता दोगे तो काम चल जाएगा. घर में किसी के साथ भी इसको डिस्कस करो. और केवल इतना ही है आज. अगली बार का चैप्टर आने वाला है मज़ेदार, और फिर से मेजरमेंट है, लेकिन मेजरमेंट ऑफ मनी है ना, हम सबकी फेवरेट. चलिए आज के लिए इतना ही है. थैंक यू, बाय बाय.